with CXR Cloud. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your WhatIf Calculator. The WhatIf Calculator is a really handy tool that helps you calculate the conversion of an amount in one currency into the equivalent amount in another currency. You can also use the WhatIf Calculator to add fees and to recalibrate exchange rates for a transaction. Start a new invoice. Let's click on Buy. And here you have the WhatIf Calculator. It's controlled by this radio button right over here. You can move this radio button around to use the WhatIf Calculator. It's usually placed at the local amount due. So if you want to sell 100 USD, it'll calculate how much local currency is due. Let's say 100 here and USD. And the local amount due in Canadian, which is the local currency, 124. Now, let's say your local currency is CAD and you want to convert 1,000 Canadian local currency to USD. So let's just close this for now and go into Sell. And let's move the radio button to Amount and enter in 1,000 here. And now you can see how the system calculated how much that would be in USD for you up here. So 1,000 CAD is going to be 788 USD. Just a rounding error here, we'll fix that quickly. There we go. And now say we're buying foreign currency in USD from the customer and paying off the amount due in another foreign currency. So click Buy. So we're buying foreign currency in USD from the customer and paying off the amount due in another foreign currency, let's say NZD. So 1,500 USD, we're going to input, click the USD here, and put 1,500. And the local amount due is 1860. Now hit Add Row. And we know the amount due payable is 1860. Now click Sell. Let's move the radio button up here, enter in the local amount due of 1860. And we're going to choose the currency we want it to be in. There you go. It's going to be 1920 in New Zealand dollars. You can fix that rounding error, and it takes that into account as well. Now let's add a transaction fee here. Let's say $5. It'll automatically include that fee in here, and that's what you'd be paying out in New Zealand dollars. Now another neat thing here, let's say we only have hundreds in the till. So you can change the 1915 to 1900. Let's move the radio button over in rates. And let's make this 1900. So it's going to actually change the rate for you so that you can pay out exactly 1900. So the system recalculated to accommodate our change. And that's it for now. We'll see you in the next tips and tricks training video.